Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to fix one of the most annoying Windows 11 errors, the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cf9. If you have tried installing or updating apps and suddenly got this error, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have it completely solved. Let's start by understanding what this error means. This error usually shows up when the Microsoft Store can't properly install or update an app. It could be due to corrupted files, missing folders, or issues with the Windows Store services. But the good news is there are multiple easy fixes that usually work instantly. First, we're going to try the simplest and fastest fix, restarting your computer. I know it sounds basic, but many times the store gets stuck in memory and reboot resets the cache automatically. After restarting, open the Microsoft Store again and try installing the app. If it works, great. If not, let's move to the next fix. The second fix is to reset the Microsoft Store cache manually. Press Windows R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, type wsreset.exe and press Enter. Blank command prompt window will open and close automatically after a few seconds. Then the Microsoft Store will launch again. This process clears all cache data and often fixes this error. If the problem still presents, let's check if your Windows Update service and store services are running. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down until you find Windows Update. Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Microsoft Store in-store service. Make sure all of them are set to automatic and are currently running. If one of them is stopped, right-click and select Start. If that didn't work, we're going to repair or reset the Microsoft Store app directly. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps, and then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store. Click the three dots on the right and select Advanced Options. Scroll down again and click Repair. Wait a few seconds. If it doesn't fix the issue, click Reset. This will reinstall the Store app and fix corrupted system data automatically. Next, let's make sure your system is fully updated. Go to Settings, Windows, Update, and click Check for Updates. Sometimes Microsoft pushes batches that fix store errors silently, so keeping your Windows updated is crucial. If you're using an external drive or have installed apps on another partition, that could also cause this problem. Try switching the app install location back to your main system drive. Go to Settings, Storage, Advanced Storage Settings where new content is saved, and make sure new apps are set to install on your C drive. At this point, the Microsoft Store should be working perfectly, and this error usually disappears after applying one or two of these fixes. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button so others can find it too. Subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.